Hello students. So today let us discuss chapter number 10 of class 6 English literature, Tarot's Reward. This lesson conveys the message that one should work hard to fulfill the dreams and wishes of one's parents. It is necessary for a child to be obedient and respectful towards his parents. This is a popular fairy tale of Japan, and it involves the story of a young woodcutter named Taro who lived with his parents on a lonely hillside. Taro was a poor boy. He earned money by chopping woods from the forest, but the money he earned was not sufficient for him and his parents. One day, it started blowing cold winds. All people in the home felt cold due to wind passing from the cracks of the wooden house. His father wished if he could have some sake to energize his heart. Sake is a popular and costly drink of Japan. Taro was sad as he didn't have money to buy the expensive sake. He decided to work hard. Next day, he woke up early and went to the forest to chop the woods. And there he chopped and cut, and soon he felt tired working in the noon. His mouth was dry and face was wet with sweat. He had to take off his jacket. Suddenly, he heard the sound of rushing water. He had never seen a stream before there. Since he was thirsty, he followed the sound of water. Soon he found a waterfall behind the rock. He went near to the fall and put his hand in the water. To his amaze, he discovered that water was not a water but sake. He became happy and filled some sake in his pitcher. Upon reaching the house, he gave this sake. Upon reaching the house, he gave this sake to his father. The father sipped the sake and started dancing with joy. In the evening, a neighbor came in the evening. Father offered her a cup of sake. The woman happily took the sake. A neighbor came in the evening. Father offered her a cup of sake. The woman happily took the sake. Taro told her about all the incident which happened to him. Now, this woman spread the news to all the people in the village. Every villager rushed to Taro's home and tasted the sake. Next morning, Taro again woke up early and searched the biggest pitcher and went to the waterfall. To his surprise, he found that other villagers were also going to the fall, and they were carrying some big pitchers, vessels, jars with them to collect the sake. Soon, people reached the fall and tasted the liquid, but they found that water of the fall was not sake, but only plain water. People became angry and decided to draw Taro in the fall. Taro hid behind the rock and waited till all the villagers went home. He now tasted the water again, but to his surprise, he still found that it was sake. The fall was giving Taro a sake, while to villagers it was giving plain water. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. He called Taro and rewarded him for his goodness and his service to his old parents. He awarded him 20 pieces of gold, and he also named the city's best fountain after Taro. He wanted all the children to respect and obey their parents. So, the moral of the story is that we should always take care of our parents and elders. God helps only those persons who takes good care of their parents. Thank you.